just around you, just try your right. Just around you, just fly your right now. Rockabye, don't bother crying. Lift up your head, lift it up to the sky now. Rockabye, don't bother crying. Just around you.
Good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday. How we doing? Market's about to open here. Got another minute. Currently in alignment for sales. We had a news candle this morning, so I'm gonna be holding off on sales for now. I want to see this reverse up here. Volume is showing that it kind of wants to go that way too, and we're just in between this range. So we'll see if we can get some push to the upside here. So I'm gonna hold off on sales just based off of this news candle. We do have some more news today. 10:30 yellow folder. Oh, we'll be done by this. Oh yeah, today's the day we have Powell speaking at 3. So not gonna do, not gonna overextend today. If I get a feeling that we're gonna stall out until Powell speaks, then I'll just call it good for the day. Good morning. Good morning. All right, market is opening. I want to see us go up. Right. I would like to buy once we get in alignment. I don't want to sell. This was actually the news low from yesterday, I believe. Yes. Also, if you glance at the higher time frame, we have a lot of support in this area. Let me go to the daily, see all these wicks down here, or maybe it was a 3 hour. Yeah, you can see all of this wanting to buy up price actions. So everything's kind of pointing towards that way. The news candle, we traded below it, kind of shifting. We're opening up bullish so far. We're losing volume. So I want to see us flip. Make sense? Any questions for me? I did drop the recording of yesterday's episode. We talked about the clothesline trailing. Any questions came up overnight? Go ahead and drop them in the chat. We can talk about it while we wait to see. If you were choosing to go ahead and trade it as is, then you should be in a sale right there. Clothesline right there at 155 and a quarter. So if we were trailing 50 in profit, we move our SL to 25. Yes, you want to close at that 50 of profit, not just get there. Because again, you want to use those closes as your support resistance. And in theory, in a healthy market, it should not come back unless it just hasn't made its retracement yet. But yes, you are correct. So if we were, just to give you a visual, Jimmy, if we were, let's say we did take this for the short, and we traveled down and we actually closed below, then you can lock in 25 there. And in theory, we want to see this being used as resistance and continue to go down. Now, if it just wicked it and didn't actually close, then I would hold at 10, assuming that it closed below the 37 and a half. How to handle the cases where she only gives B, E, and itty bitty wick on the entry candle. What are you considering to be an itty bitty wick? That's the question. No problem. We're in a stalemate right now, close to getting the flip. We just need to get above the trend. Less than 5. It's your call. I mean, again, in the testing that I've done, there's been times when it's a 3 or 4 point close, and then turns back around, and you're re-entering at the same spot. It's up to you to iron out those fine details. I'll probably just keep it simple, and whatever. Let's say this was the wick here. I would, and it closed above it. I would just close above it, although that wick is 2.75. I would just close it because again, the same thing, right? Let's look at this area right here. Let me just turn this off for a second. Let's look at this. There we go. Let's say even this wick right here, right? That's 3 points. Now, of course, your 10, your 5, whatever would be safe, but also so would the 3 here. So in theory, if this is the wick that it came back and pierced, if the market doesn't want to go any higher, it shouldn't close above that. So that high is 53. This high is closed at 53. This closed below. This closed below, and it went on and dropped. Right. Same thing here. This wick is the one that came back up and pierced it, and then so it should not, in theory, close above this wick. This one did not. So it's up to you from that perspective. If you want to do a blank 5, I'm just going to keep it simple. I wonder if is NQ already in alignment? No? All right. Looks like we're all waiting still. Yeah. Same thing here, right? Although we're not in alignment for this, but that wick right there that was put in off of that touch, if this is going to be a true support, we shouldn't see it closing below that. We should see do exactly what it just did here, wick through it and start trading back above it. And you can see that on every candle, right? Every candle, if you really look, has the same type of reactions towards the wicks. It's just that we're doing it at spots of entry, not just anywhere on the chart. But you can see it all over the place. Just how the relationship between the wicks. It's all over the place. Every candle has a negotiation to be had. I just removed it for that explanation. Literally just did it a second ago. You must have went to the bathroom or something. Because it was in my way when I was trying to show these wicks over here. All right. If we're going to come back in alignment on the sell side and push the structure back bearish, I'm going to take this sell here. If we close below 100, and give it a shot. Ooh, I just got in there. This might be a fake out, but we'll see. I'm in there at 100 for the sale. And the reason I did that is because not only structure, but the market pushed up here towards the news candle. We rejected off of it pretty hard, and we realigned ourselves back to the bear side. And I've seen that happen on our news days like this, where the market will, let's say that same type of day, where it's bearish, we took the lows, and we attempted to try to go to the buy side and failed to do so, meaning that we got into a stalemate and then realigned. Sometimes those work out in terms of basically the market just speaking to us saying, I'm not ready to go high. All right, we got our clothesline here. Let's see if we can get this to stay below that. That was a pretty heavy drop. That could be a fake out. We'll see. All right. So far, so good. Nice bearish engulfing. You didn't get in the first time. 3 touches. Grab it. I only see Christine said she was in, so. We got some daily lows down here. Might go and attack. We got 2 of them right next to our 50 mark. Close below 63. I lock in 10. Can you hear that now? It's playing. I think my sound is shit. Barely. Still barely. About there. I just want to make sure it's not too loud that you guys can still hear me. So, testing. Can you hear me, or can you hear the music and me? Okay, cool. Alright. Still using that same clothesline. Where you going? Alright, close it out. Get to there. $36.
Just bought a black Ferrari, house in the hills in LA. Say that you take care of me. Sorry, but I don't need a plan like that. Don't need a man like that. What you say? You say that you've been on TV, and I should come back to your place. Oh, let me set you straight. School's in session, let me educate. Who the hell do you think I am?
Yeah, I got me for 20. Just under 20. Yeah, we'll see what presents itself. I'm still, I'll replay that same position. Give it another shot. Or obviously, if it goes up, I'll take the 150 as well. Right now, we're back below 100 with 20 seconds to go. So we'll see if we close back below it. It came back up and right into that gap right there. So 3, 2, 1. All right, I'm gonna put my sell limit in. That was rude. Hopefully she comes back up for us. Gives us an opportunity to get back in here. Looks like we just came up here to fill in this gap. Literally, that's the 50% line. So yes, I do have sell limit set at 100. So it's 9:53 right now, 9:54. Top of the hours coming. Oh, 10:30 was that yellow folder. Come on up, give us this entry. Come on, liar. 6 points. All right, I'm in there. And we did wick through here, so as of right now, we do have a clothesline on here. So if anybody was confused earlier on what Ken was trying to ask me, this is what he was talking about. Now this candle's not solidified, so we can get more here, but if this candle was to close, this is what he was talking about. Because this is a itty bitty wick, as he called it. That's what he was referring to, about asking me about just using a blank 5 or blank 10. For me, my criteria is that I just needed to wick through. So I don't really care that it's only 0.50. I just wanted to have reached through. If it was just 100, then I would wait on the next candle to give me the line. We're getting a little jumpy here. Let's see if we can get this jump to jump down. All the way down. Like 100 points, 150 points down. Top of the hour coming up in a minute and a half. You guys got some good point saving on that first entry. I had 20 points. See, minus 12, minus 9. Had some good entries. Minus 16. Minus 9. Maybe I was only. Oh yeah, definitely 20. How y'all get minus 9? What did I do wrong? Definitely was 20 for me. Oh, manually entered. Okay, so y'all had better entries. Got it. All right. I'll take that. All right, that is top of the hour right now. This area that we're in right now is that same area I was showing you guys on here with all these wicks. We're below the majority of them right now, but we need the sellers to step in here and finish this push. We've been knocking on the wall to go down here all week. See if we can do it today. Structurally, volume-wise, it's all pointing in that direction. Yeah, I haven't really worried too much about BE, um, which I wasn't really too worried about it before either, until it got to 50 points. But because for me at the time, so last week before me and Ken had this discussion, I wasn't really moving to BE until we got past 50, because I just felt like if I was just going to re-enter at the same spot, why go BE? But the 37.5 move, 37, anywhere around that area, closing below it, which is that black line, locking in at 10 points. From a math perspective, I feel a lot more comfortable just re-entering at the same spot, because I gain 10. If it comes back, let's say it goes without even using the clothesline, let's say it goes full 25, then a net loss there is only 15 points versus 25. So, we'll see. As you guys know, this is still a work in progress. If maybe could have went BE, around this 30 point area, right? And then you're at break even, you're not locking in 10, so you wouldn't have lost anything. But Chop, chop, chop. It's a good old fashioned wiki dicky out here. Having a hard time at 75 right now. We haven't closed below it at all. All wicks on 75. Got to get below 75. $15 seconds left. We're around the clothesline, so I do have my finger on the trigger to close if we need to. We're below it. Now we're above it. 7 seconds. All right, let's shut that down. Down about 27 points right now. I'm gonna go get set up for 150. It doesn't mean that I won't replay 100, but I'm just preparing. $20 seconds to go. We're playing around 100. 10 seconds. We're below it. See if we close it. All right. Third time the charm, maybe. Got my sell limit in. And not in yet. Get up there. I'm in now. All right, we got 100. We got the J4. Let's see if we can use this area and finally drop. Third time's a charm. Technically, so far, this 100 level would not have hit SL. So, we haven't been wrong yet. Just early. All right. Clotheslines in. 104.75. Nice drop. Stop playing around here. Got to get below 75. And also stay below 100. See you tomorrow, Ken. All right, 30 seconds. We're above the clothesline right now. Fingers on the trigger to close if necessary. Get a nice wick back down. Come on. Oh, you're almost there. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Oh, so rude. Closed it. At this point, I want to see her go up. Like, just go up. You threatening up. You're threatening. You're threatening. Just go up. Give us the entry at 150. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that at this point, She's acting like she wants to go up, so I want to see her go up to 150, but I'll take 100 again. I just don't want to, but I will. The robot in me will. I'd rather have her go up to 150. Hey, 30 seconds. We're playing around 100 again. Alright, we're above it. Seems to be using it as support. Still right there, though. Be on the lookout. 10 seconds. We're below it. All right, number 4. And again. Gotta get lower. Take it. Come on. Take it. Keep going. There we go. Keep going. There we go. 10 seconds left here. Can we get below 75? Finally getting a nice little push. Alright, we close below 75 now. Stay below. That's the black line right there. Got to close below that. If you want to go break even, feel free. I'm going to lock in 10 points if we close below here. 25 points if we close below 50. When we close below 50. Oh yeah, big pushers coming in here. We just took the daily lows. Definitely will cover up your position at this point because that can definitely bring some resistance. I mean, some support. This is how I currently look at break even off of that those daily low touches. Oh yeah, We're at 50 points. Come on, close below 50. I'll lock in 25. Yep, let's do it. Locking in 25 here. Moving that stop loss to 75. Come back up there. Don't you do it. Don't you dare do it. Come on, drop, 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 drop. Yeah, drop. Come on, keep falling.
It's just me, myself, and I. Solo ride until I die. 'Cause I got me for life. I don't need a hand to hold, even when the night is cold. I got that fire in my soul.
And as far as I can see, I just need privacy. Plus a whole lot of treat, all this modesty. I just need space to do me, give the world what they trying to see. A Stella Maxwell right beside of me. A Ferrari, I'm buying free. A closet is Saint Laurent, get what I want when I want, 'cause this hunger is driving me, yeah. I just need to be alone. I just need to be at home. Understand what I'm speaking on. This time is money, I need a loan. But regardless, I'll always keeping on. Fake friends, we don't take L's, we just make ends. Well, y'all follow, we just make trends. I'm right back to work when that break ends. Yeah.
It's just me, myself, and I. Solo ride until I die. 'Cause I got me for life.
Come on, bearish and golfing. Come on, you know you want to.
Hand to hold, even when the night is cold. I got that fire in my soul. I don't need anything to get me through the night, except the beat that's in my heart. Yeah, it's keeping me alive. I don't need anything to make me satisfied, 'cause the music does me good and it gets me every time. It's just me, myself, and I. Solo ride until I die. 'Cause I got me for life. I don't need a hand to hold, even when the night is cold. I got that
They're still in it. Drop, drop, drop. Oh, come on. Go, go, go.
beat that's in my heart. Yeah, it's keeping me alive. I don't need anything to make me satisfied, 'cause the music does me good and it gets
I have no idea how I'm still in that, but I am still in that. Come on, drop, drop. Yeah, I thought about that stuff, but I'm gonna play it as is. As of right now, it's working out for me. I agree with you, though. I'm not a bad thought, not a bad play there. My mindset is what's for me is for me. I don't like making adjustments on the fly like that once I've made a decision. All right, there's that bearish and golfing I asked for. 3 L's. George, where you at? Come on, 3 L's. Show us you work. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
It's just me, myself, and I. Solo ride until I die. 'Cause that got me for life. I don't need a hand to hold, even when the night is cold. I got that fire in my soul. I don't need anything to get me through the night. Just the beat that's in my heart, yeah, it's keeping me alive. I don't need anything to make me satisfied. The music does me good, and it gets me every time. Like,
Might be coming to get me now.
music does me good, and it gets me every time. Come and move that in my direction. So thankful for that. It's such a blessing, yeah. Turn every situation into heaven, yeah. Oh, oh, you are my sunrise on the darkest day. Got me feeling some kind of way. Make me wanna savor every moment slowly, slowly. You fit me, tailor made, love how you put it on. Got the only key, know how to turn it on. The way you hear the love, you're the only words I wanna hear. Baby, take it slow so we can last on. Piensa di mami, yo soy el mental. Baby, esa canto voy andando plan. Solo con pensar hacia acelera el pulso. Oh yeah.
Yeah, seriously. That's what I'm hoping for at this point. Chop, 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 and drop. That's what she's been doing all morning. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. No. All right, I'm out. All right. All good. 75s. Never really had a wick. This came up to 74, 75, so should stay below that. But all right, small loss on the day. $90, 9 points. You guys might be positive, actually. You only had a 9-point loss on your first trade. I'm so jealous. You can't tell. Emma's plus 25. Nice. All right. Well, I'm glad you guys are positive. I'll take the loss for the day. All right. That's it. Come back tomorrow. We got Pal speaking. I forgot about that, to be honest. But it kind of explains some of this. But it ended up working out. Just to recap real quick, you guys understand what my explanation on why we started to sell in the first place. Just to say it again, we came up here, acted as if we wanted to buy up. We even flipped from an alignment standpoint. I mean, we got stalemate from a volume standpoint. Never flipped, and then we clearly you could tell that that's a big bearish move. And so it was really because we got out of alignment and then went back into alignment for the sales. Was the main simplest reason to why I was like, all right, let's attack the sales. So, all right, yeah, it started to buy, but it didn't, you know. It's kind of showed his hand, and the wicks were at the top of the news candle, so it was kind of showing that didn't want to do it, and then obviously break a structure, pull back, and then chop 25-point drop. All right, okay, y'all have an amazing day. If you need anything from me, if there's no questions. Yeah, at 100 again. Yeah. I took that 4 times. I'm good. I'm not taking it a 5th. It's tempting, but that same number 4 times. All right, bye. I'm leaving before I get tempted. Y'all have an amazing Thursday. I'll see y'all tomorrow. If you need anything from me, hit me up on Telegram. We are live tomorrow. We got news again at 8:30. Nothing pretty much after that. All right. Have a great day. Peace out for now.
So the way I used to love you, no, taking you home, and loving you so. The way I used to love you, no, taking you home, and loving you so. The way I used to love you, no, taking you home, and loving you so. The way I used to love you, no. So the way I used to love you, no, taking you home, and loving you so. The way I used to love you, no. The way I used to love you, no. The way I used to love you, no.
No more please stop, no more hashtag cool, no screenshots, no more trying to make me jealous on your birthday. You know just how to make it better on your birthday. Oh, do we do you like this? Do we woo you like this? Do we lay it down for you, touch you like this? Matter of fact, never mind, we gon' let the past be. Baby, it's right now, but your body still me.
No, taking you home, and loving you so. The way I used to love you, no, taking